How to download and install apps on Roku Streambar. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Truth Reviews. If you just got a Roku Streambar, that awesome soundbar with built-in streaming, and you're wondering how to download and install apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, or Disney+, you're in the right place. On Roku, apps are called channels, but the process is super simple and the same across all Roku devices, including the Streambar. Today, I'll walk you through it in 10 clear points. Let's get started. Grab your remote. Power on your Roku Streambar and TV. Make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi and you're on the home screen. Press the home button, house icon, on your Roku remote to get there. You'll see your existing apps on the right side. From the home screen, scroll up or right using the arrow buttons until you highlight Streaming Store. It's usually near the top or in the main menu, looks like a shopping bag or store icon. Press OK to enter the Roku Channel Store. Inside the Streaming Store, you have options. Scroll to search, magnifying glass icon, if you know the app name, like Hulu or HBO Max. Press OK, then use the on-screen keyboard to type. Roku's search is fast, just a few letters often bring up suggestions. Browse categories instead. Go left or right to sections like Movies and AMP, TV, News, Sports, Kids and AMP, Family, or Featured. Highlight an app tile and press OK to view details. Read the description, check reviews, and see if it's free or needs a subscription. Ready to install? Highlight your chosen app and select Add Channel, or Add App on newer interfaces. Press OK. If it's free, it starts adding instantly. For paid ones, you may need to confirm or enter your Roku PIN if set up for purchases. The app downloads and installs automatically, usually in seconds. Roku shows a progress message. Once done, you'll get a confirmation. Channel added. New channels appear at the bottom of your home screen list. If the app doesn't show up right away, force a system update. Go to Settings in GT, System in GT, System Update in GT, check now. This refreshes everything. Also, restart your Roku Streambar by unplugging it for 10 seconds if needed. Alternative method, use the Roku website. On your phone or computer, go to channelstore.roku.com. Sign in with your Roku account, same one linked to your Streambar. Search or browse, click Add App. It pushes the install to your device wirelessly. Check for updates on the Streambar if it doesn't appear immediately. Bonus. Use the free Roku mobile app, iOS, Android. Download it, sign in, tap Channels in GT, Channel Store. Search and add apps remotely, perfect if your remote batteries are low. Changes sync to your Roku Streambar over Wi-Fi. Launch and enjoy. Back on the home screen, scroll to your new app, highlight it, and press OK. Sign in with your account credentials if required, like for Netflix. Pro tip. Rearrange apps by highlighting one, pressing the star button, and choosing Move Channel. Remove unwanted ones the same way with Remove Channel. That's it. 10 easy points to download and install any app on your Roku Streambar. Now you can turn that soundbar into your full entertainment hub. If this helped, smash the like button, subscribe for more Roku tips. Drop a comment. What's the first app you're adding? Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.